The Mariana Trench, located in the western Pacific Ocean near the Mariana Islands, is the deepest part of the world's oceans, plunging to a depth of more than 11,000 meters, 36,000 feet. This underwater canyon is a mysterious and largely unexplored frontier that has fascinated scientists and explorers for decades. To put its depth into perspective, if Mount Everest, the tallest mountain on Earth, were placed at the bottom of the Mariana Trench, its peak would still be over 1,000 meters, 3,280 feet, below the ocean's surface. The trench spans approximately 1,500 kilometers, 932 miles, in length and has a V-shaped profile, making it a geological marvel that continues to challenge our understanding of the planet. The trench's extreme depth creates an environment of immense pressure, with levels reaching more than 1,100 times the atmospheric pressure at sea level, or about 8 tons per square inch. This pressure is so intense that even the strongest known materials on Earth, such as steel, can be deformed or crushed. Yet, despite these seemingly uninhabitable conditions, life thrives in the dark abyss. The discovery of life in the Mariana Trench was first confirmed in 1958 by the Soviet research vessel, Vidya, which detected living organisms at a depth of 7,000 meters, 22,966 feet. This was a groundbreaking revelation, as it challenged the long-held assumption that life could not exist in such a hostile environment. Further exploration has revealed a diverse array of life forms, including giant amoebas, deep-sea fish with bioluminescent capabilities, and bizarre invertebrates that appear alien in appearance. In 1960, Swiss oceanographer Jacques Picard and U.S. Navy Lieutenant Don Walsh made history by descending into the trench aboard the bathyscaphe Trieste, a deep-sea submersible. Their journey to the trench's deepest point, known as the Challenger Deep, marked the first time humans had reached such a depth. During their brief 20-minute stay at the bottom, they observed a flatfish, providing further evidence that life could survive in these extreme conditions. The success of this expedition was a global sensation, showcasing human ingenuity and the boundless potential of exploration. However, not all discoveries in the Mariana Trench have been purely scientific. During their descent, Picard and Walsh reported seeing a large, disc-shaped object that appeared to be observing their vessel. The object hovered near the bathyscaphe Trieste for several minutes, before disappearing into the inky darkness. This mysterious encounter has fueled speculation about the existence of unknown entities dwelling in the trench, beings that may be remnants of ancient civilizations or entirely new forms of life yet to be understood. In 1985, further intrigue was added when the American research vessel Glomar Challenger conducted an investigation in the trench. The crew deployed a 9-meter-long, 29.5 feet, cylindrical device, known as the Hedgehog, to collect data from the seabed. As the device descended, it began recording unusual sounds, and the cable attached to it was subjected to enormous tension, almost snapping under the strain. For hours, the researchers struggled to retrieve the device, which seemed to be caught on something in the depths, something that didn't want to let go. After a tense 3-hour ordeal, they finally managed to bring the Hedgehog back to the surface, though it had sustained significant damage. The nature of the force that held the device remains unexplained, adding yet another layer to the mysteries of the Mariana Trench. The enigmatic nature of the trench has inspired countless theories and speculations. Some suggest that the trench might be home to colossal sea creatures or even remnants of prehistoric life that have evolved in isolation from the rest of the planet. Others believe that the trench could harbor life forms with intelligence far beyond our understanding, possibly even extraterrestrial in origin. In more recent years, advancements in technology have allowed for deeper and more detailed exploration of the trench. Remotely operated vehicles, ROVs, equipped with high-definition cameras and sophisticated sensors have provided unprecedented views of the trench's interior, revealing strange and previously unknown species, including jellyfish with glowing appendages, shrimp-like creatures with transparent bodies, and tube worms that thrive in the hydrothermal vents of the deep sea. Despite these advances, much of the Mariana Trench remains unexplored, and its secrets are still locked away in the abyssal darkness. The extreme conditions, technological limitations, and sheer remoteness of the trench make it one of the last frontiers on Earth, a place where the unknown still reigns supreme. Scientists continue to study the trench, not only to understand the creatures that inhabit it but also to learn more about the Earth's geology, the origins of life, and the potential for life on other planets. The Mariana Trench stands as a testament to the wonders and mysteries of our planet, a reminder that even in an age of unprecedented scientific discovery, there are still places on Earth that remain largely untouched and unknown, waiting to reveal their secrets to those daring enough to venture into the deep.